Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today's video we're going to go ahead and talk about the moisture detected problem on the charging port on your Samsung Z Fold devices. Although this device is a bit expensive but has no water resistance features, therefore if water goes by anyway, you will be in big trouble. So now honestly saying that you can fix this problem if you just go ahead and follow the guidelines that we're about to show you in this video. Now, the very first thing that we're going to go ahead and recommend you at the very first time is if you found that water in there, in your charging port, please don't charge it with that USB-C cable. Don't charge it, because if you do it, you are going to do more harm than good. Okay, now afterward, now the question is, how can you fix this? Now, to fix this problem, the first things you have to do, you have to let the water completely dry out. Well, to do this process, all you need to have is a hair dryer. Okay, now go ahead and grab your hair dryer and just heat it up here, but don't heat it too much of your time. You're gonna just go ahead and heat around 15 to 20 seconds. Well, unless you see the water is just getting dried out, just do it slowly, and afterward you go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Well, even afterward, while you're trying to charge it, if it says the moisture found or moisture detected, and then the next things you have to do, guys, you have to wipe out the water completely by using some tricks. Okay, now all you can use a cotton bud, for example. Now just go ahead and place it in there, and just let's just go ahead and keep spinning a little bit around this charging port. Well, if that doesn't help, you also can try using the only cotton. Okay, and all you can do, just go ahead and place your cotton inside of the port, and you can use your toothpick, for example, to take them out, or you can just push it a little bit so that every water can be dried out with that cotton. Okay, afterward, if your battery is low and you probably want to charge your device with that wireless charging. Okay, as you know, your device is completely wireless supported. You simply can use the wireless device just like that. Then just go ahead and charge your device only with that wireless. Okay, don't charge your device with the Type-C port. Okay, that can cause the issue. Or if you want to fix their problem real quick, then I can just tell you the last process. You simply can leave your Samsung Z Fold device, let's say for an overnight, to let the water dry out, and after your water is just gonna be vanished, and then you'll be able to fix your problem, and afterward you'll be able to charge your Samsung Z Fold device once again, and your problem will be solved. Okay, these are the things you guys can follow or do in order to fix the moisture detected problem on your devices. Hope this video is useful. If you think so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. Alright guys, so we'll talk to you all later, and have a good time.